cut a thing.
This is a win-win-win. I know it's a little overused, but it's so true here. It's a win for our ability to broaden our community's economic development opportunities in this area, thanks to this easier access. It's a win for our transit, our drivability, and our navigation around our community. It ties right into Kalamazoo's complete street strategy, and it's going to bolster the exciting momentum that's going on in downtown and our nearby neighborhoods.
Way back in 2013-14, when our legislative delegation came to us at the time and said, the municipalities are fractured. We have all these asks from you. We need you to get on the same page with one request. And guess what? You all delivered. We all delivered. We got our oars rowing in the same direction, and we passed resolutions, and we said our number one transportation priority is this project, this 131 business loop. A lot of this goes back to the late 1990s when we really started to have some of these discussions about, how do we develop better pathways for our trucks and our vehicles so that they don't have to go through the north side neighborhood to get to the highway or downtown Kalamazoo and progress with the congestion there.
The original interchange was built down in 1962. As we all know, when it was originally built, it was only kind of a partial interchange, and it only served southbound off and northbound on. Projects like this don't happen without people really pushing to make that happen and proving how important it is, and I appreciate all of that through the time.
It's my greatest hope from this project that we will see a better quality of life realized in the north side and nearby areas.
Our project is on time and on budget. Yay!